Tuana Hotel. This is like the chalet type. Let's see how it goes. Okay, we're trying to get in for early check-in by 12. Don't know whether they allow it. Oh my god. This much. Still walking quite a long way. Room number 5048. 540130. Oh, got some good pool. More like a chalet type. Should be good. Ah.